Okay, I'm back, and we're gonna make this simple airplane
with Doritos.
I call this, well, I think it's a really good airplane, so it goes far. I don't know what I call it yet. First, you fold the airplane in half.
What you do is,
like so.
your mama.
And then you take it and you fold that like that. Okay? And then you fold it like this, and you bring that flap up, and then you fold it out like so. And you cut a notch right there, and then you fold it back up like that. And then once you get done doing that, you take it, fold it like that, and you put it at a 90, like at a degree angle right there. But first, before you do that, you take these like so. Flip the angle down. You put the flap down on, and then you take it like that, and then you flip it at an angle like that. And then just flop it open like that.
Doritos, I say it flies long, so there you go, bye.